All right, class, this is going to be a video on how to set up your size A paper space in the actual templates for metric and decimal. I have Dion here. Dion, can you say hello to everyone?
Hello.
All right, so Dion, can you see my screen still?
Yep.
Okay, perfect. So as you guys can all tell, at this point, you guys are just now getting to drawing your template, and there's a part in the movie or my video that tells you to set up the page setup manager, but a lot of you guys don't have the printer that I have. So what we're going to do is we're going to change what printer you're going to choose from that you can do from your own house. So first things first is after you've named it, you're going to go to modify. You're going to choose the highest quality AutoCAD PDF, high quality print. And at that point, you are then going to go to properties. Once you are inside properties, you're going to go to custom paper sizes. So device and documents, custom page sizes, and then you're going to add a new one. Okay, you're going to start from an existing one, and you're going to choose the 11 by 8.5. Once you have that chosen, we got these tabs to go through, so we're going to hit next. Now, we're not going to change the size because that is typically how big a piece of paper is. I will then change my print margins, and I'm going to change that to 1/8 of an inch throughout the entire drawing. So that's from the top, bottom, left, and right. I'm going to hit next, and at this point, now you need to name it. So I already named one, size A layout. So I'm going to call it size A layout 2, just for our reference. I'm going to hit next. And at this point, I'm going to hit finish. Now, at this point, you're just going to hit OK. You're back to this screen. Now we have customized a page underneath the high quality print, because that's where, if we were underneath this one and I went documents, then I could put it in there. But I was underneath the high quality when I did the print properties. Now, once I'm inside there, I've got to choose the paper size. Notice, I need to look for what? Size A layout. I'm going to scroll all the way to the top. Boom. So this is the one I made with Dion just before we made this video, and this is the new one we made. Notice over here on the print margins, see how that I made it a 16th? A 16th might be a little too drastic, right? So I went to an 1/8 inch. Let's see what it looks like. Now, none of this changes from your video. We're just checking to see if that dotted line can fit our actual border. And take a look. I like it. So notice it's cutting it off here. So just like in my video, I'm going to select it all and I'm going to move it in. That's simple, right? And remember, it's just got to fit inside the dotted lines, right? Boom. There it is. There it is. There it is. And then when I export this, it should work just fine where it's not cutting off stuff.